Hello, welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style. We got some seasonal food here. Spring is just there and we have some asparagus. White asparagus baked with butter. So we're gonna start our recipe with the asparagus. We're gonna peel them. We gotta be careful at peeling them, and of course you can buy them already peeled, which is easier. There are machines for it, also people doing it for you. But I just a few asparagus, so I decided to do it myself. Just like that, we peel them off. Let's just see. Yep, we gotta really peel them really well because otherwise the outside of the asparagus is very hard. It's very unpleasant to eat. So it's a fiber, so it will stay. It's not so nice. Yeah, we cut the bottom end around 1 centimeter as well, and now we are just gonna add a little bit of olive oil, just like that. Now we are gonna salt it, so a little bit of salt, just like that. Now we are gonna use the use of 1 lime. We're gonna squeeze it all along the asparagus, yeah, just like that. And we are gonna finish it with a little bit of butter. So we got teaspoons and we are gonna use 4 teaspoons. The last one is just very few, just 4 teaspoons of asparagus. So asparagus at this time of the year here in the south of Germany, in my state, which is Baden-Württemberg, you can find it everywhere. This is a very traditional food and seasonal food for this time of the year. So now we are gonna cover it with the olive oil. Yes, and we got our preheat oven 180 degrees, and we're gonna bake this for around 45 minutes. You can check it and add 5 minutes if necessary. So we are so far time is up, and our asparagus are baked. Just like that. Look. Whoa, nicely ones. Yeah. Look. So now time to serve it and enjoy them. You can also use hollandaise sauce or whatever sauce you like, but this is an easy way to making them. So I hope you like it. If you do, please subscribe to the channel, leave behind the video your like, and also if you have any comment on the bottom box. Thank you very much and enjoy it.